Hey everybody, today I have a review for you of the Lectron V2L adapter that works with all the Hyundai Motor Group vehicles that have the V2L functionality. So the Kia EV6 and EV9, Hyundai Ioniq 5 and Ioniq 6, Genesis GV60. And this allows you to use the vehicle's high voltage battery pack, the big battery in the cars, as a power source and essentially turns the vehicle into a normal 120 volt outlet with 15 amps of capacity, which is pretty awesome. So you can use the car to power a variety of appliances and that type of thing. I've actually used my EV6 to provide backup power to my house. I have a lot of videos on that on my channel, and I'll link that in the description for you. But I'm going to go ahead and test out this Lectron adapter. I'm going to compare it to the one from Kia and Hyundai and see how they compare. And then, like I said, I'm going to test it out with a portable space heater, and we'll see how it does. So taking a look at the box, you can see the specifications. It does turn it basically into a normal NEMA 515 outlet. Taking everything out, you can see it has a little manual. And then it's wrapped in some bubble wrap here. It does not come with a carrying case, which I would prefer to have. The factory one does have a carrying case. Looking at it, it appears to be decent quality. Everything looks fine. You can see here is where the outlet is, and it lists NEMA 515, 125 volt, 15 amps. It is noticeably smaller than the unit from Hyundai and Kia, which is good. I definitely prefer a smaller form factor. You can see the one from Kia here does have a different cover for the outlet that allows it to be closed while something is plugged in, which you can't do with the Lectron adapter. It also does have a dust cap, which is good for storage, but you do have a carrying case with the factory one, so it's not really necessary, but overall, very similar designs between the two. The Lectron does not have a button like the factory one does to enable the V2L functionality. It'll just start by releasing the latch mechanism here after plugging it in, which the latch mechanism does feel solid. But yeah, let's go ahead and test it out. Alright, so I have my portable space heater set up. We'll go ahead and plug the Lectron V2L adapter into the car. Then we'll plug in the portable space heater. And there was a ding, so you can tell the V2L is active. And turning on the space heater, it is now running. It's very simple and easy to use. This is a 1500 watt space heater, so it's using a decent amount of energy. I'll go ahead and show you everything up close. It is a good connection with the plug in the outlet. As you can see, like I mentioned, the cover cannot be closed while something's plugged in, unlike the one from the factory, so you definitely don't want to use this if it's raining or there's any kind of risk of precipitation. I'll go ahead and check inside the car here. And you can see that it is transferring the vehicle to load at 1.4 kilowatts. So it's working as it should. I'll go ahead and show you here how it's turned on and off. If you push down on the latch here, that disables the V2L functionality, and then when you release it, that enables it. So that is the on-off switch. As you can see, there it is disabled, and there it is back on. So I do like that it works that way. It's nice and simple. The Kia one, like I said, does have a button, but either way, it works fine. Now for the pricing, this unit is significantly cheaper than the one that you can get from the factory. On Amazon, Lectron has it for $128.99. From Hyundai and Kia, if you get it from them directly, you're talking several $100s.
Even if you get it from an authorized seller, a new unit is typically over $250 still. So this is about half price compared to the best price you can get a new factory unit, which is good. Now, you do give up the cover that allows it to be closed when you have something plugged in, which again, I would prefer to have. You also don't have a carrying case or a dust cap, but it's up to you whether you think getting those additional benefits is worth spending basically twice as much money. So anyway, let me know what you guys think of the Lectron V2L adapter, and let me know if you have any questions on it. And be sure to subscribe for more videos. I'm actually going to be testing a new transfer switch I had installed at my house in the coming days. I got the new Nature's Generator 12 circuit power transfer kit. I upgraded from the 6 circuit unit, so basically I'll be able to power nearly every circuit in my house with my EV6. So I'm excited for that, and I'll probably use the Lectron adapter with that to test it out. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.